75 hard, day 3, off to an absolute flyer. Day 3 of 75 hard, leg day and tempo run day. What a start to the morning. Leg day done, and we are back and ready to crack on with work. But we're about actually I've had a glass of water before this as well, so about 1.8 litres down already. We've got prepped breakfast ready. 9 o'clock. I don't really have breakfast this early, but I've done a big leg day and I've got a tempo run at 12, so I'm gonna have it now because otherwise I'm gonna be too full. But this is what I mean about prepping things that are so easy. This literally took 2 minutes last night, and all it is Greek yogurt, kefir, blueberries, a handful of nuts, some cinnamon. So it just shows you that, you know, these simple meals are so effective. There's about 35 grams of protein in this, and it literally took 2 minutes to make. So when it comes to sustainable habits, it's not about being fancy. You don't have to do this fancy, you know, one pot pancakes and all that. Great, if you need a bit of variety and you've got the time, do it. If you don't, find meals like this that you can put together in minutes, and you know that if you're running out of time, you can go for that rather than grabbing a McDonald's on the way to work. Got the massage gun out, ready to get the legs ready for later on, and also come back to a nice little surprise ready for Friday morning. We're taking it seriously now.
Gym done in the morning. Chat to me.
You chat to me. He's joining.
I'm joining the challenge. I'm recording my video today and I'm going to get started today, bro. But my 20 kilometers I did yesterday, bro, my legs are...
20 kilometers. He's here. He's not messing about. We ain't messing about. 75 hard. Let's get it. Day 3 for me. Day 1 for this man. Let's go. An absolute gem today from the book, and it's talking about inferiority and an inferiority complex. And basically what it's saying is that the feeling of inferiority is almost like a launch pad, essentially. So someone who constantly wants to strive to be better and better is always going to feel inferior, basically. Because even when you do, I don't know, do an Ironman, or you do make £1 million, which was your goal, when you get to that point, you're going to think, oh, well, that guy's earning £2 million, or that guy's done 2 Ironmans. So the inferiority complex is mad, and what it's saying is that, like, it's a good thing because you always want to be better, basically. So yeah, gems upon gems. 2.5 litres down, but I want to give you a quick tip. I want to educate you along this daily vlog 75 hard journey. Every day, anything I can, little bit of value I can give to you, I'm going to do it. So people always ask me about electrolytes, what one should I buy, this and that. Of course, there's some clean ones out there, you can get them, but literally a cheaper option, just a little half-quarter wedge of lemon, squeeze that in there, drop it in there as well, and literally a pinch of Celtic sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. And when I say a pinch, I literally mean just literally like a pinch of salt. Put it in your water, and there you've got a natural electrolyte. So there you go, quick tip for you for today, hydration wise, and you're laughing. So for lunch, I'm going to make a little concoction here, a little Mediterranean diet concoction. I've got 3 boiled eggs from yesterday, going to have half an avocado with that in a pita bread. But then I found some chickpeas in the cupboard, and then I remembered I bought this tahini from a while back. So I'm going to blend that up with some lemon, some garlic. What else are we going to add? Maybe some olive oil as well. Give it a proper Mediterranean twist. Oh, I've actually got some truffle olive oil. I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to make up a little concoction, and we'll be back in a second. No words. Workout number 2. Let's get it. So we're going for a 45-minute run, 10-minute jog, but a decent pace to be fair. And then we're going to do 25 minutes at fast pace, and then a 10-minute jog as a little cool down. I'm going to go for a long run on Sunday. So this is a second run of the week. Tempo run for today. Feeling good. I was feeling tired, but now I'm feeling good. So let's do it. Catch you after. Woo! 9k, bush. Easy, light work. Legs felt good even after leg day.
So we love to see it. Trims all over the gaff. Got to get back. Group call. Then we're going to get some grub to finish the day off strong. But feeling good. Day 3, 75 hard. 2 workouts done. Light work. 45 minutes. 1 indoor, 1 outdoor. You love to see it.
Day 3 done. Let's go. Just finished a little group call and I'm about to have dinner now. I was checking my watch, don't even have it on. 8:30. Run done. Leg day done. Water done. Progress photos. You know how it is. All ticked off. Day 3. Light work. Glutes are feeling it from that glute booty builder hip thrust machine. And I know they're going to be feeling it tomorrow, but we got paddle early doors. So make sure you come back to see the general in action with his new racket. Can't wait to give that a go. But yeah, feeling good physically and mentally after this challenge. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's obviously early doors, but we love to see it. Anyway, dinner for you today is a little bit of chicken, veg, tomato sauce, like a little marinara, and I'm going to put it in a pita bread. And that's me done for today. Might have some Greek yogurt with some berries actually, or a little bit of dark chocolate. Sticking whole foods, predominantly Mediterranean, as the diet is on this day 3 of 75 hard. See you tomorrow. Make sure you come back. Drop your comments, any feedback, any tips you've got, any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4.